Presenting the Solimo Cygnus engineered wood TV cabinet that is built from premium quality European standard particle board and has elegant espresso finish. This TV cabinet comprises of 2 drawers, a spacious compartment with glass doors and wide cabinet top. The TV cabinet undergoes 20+ safety and quality tests to ensure high durability and robustness. The opening and closing action has been tested over 5,000 cycles for drawers. The load-bearing capacity of this TV cabinet is 37 kg. This TV cabinet comes with brand warranty of 3 years against manufacturing defects. You can avail EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery and installation of this TV cabinet at a day and time of your convenience. This TV cabinet comes with 10 days easy replacement policy for damaged and defective products. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, refer the product detail page.